what is up, you guys? I'm in the car with Brandon right now, and we are on our way back to Hazel and Hayden. So if you guys have been around for a while, then you saw way back in May, so like almost 6 months ago now, the week before I competed this year at Body Power, I worked with Hazel and Hayden, and I got a set of great lengths extensions, all of this hair. So this hair has now been in my head for like 5.5 months. I will link that first video below if you want to check out the whole installation and everything. But this has been my favorite type of extension I have ever had, and I have had literally every single type that has existed. Like, ask me and I have had it, and these are the absolute best extensions that you can get. Like, I don't care what anyone says, it does not get better than these. And the fact that they last 5 to even like 6 months for some people, if you take care of them, is amazing. I have loved these. Like I said, I do take really, really good care of them though. You can ask Brandon. Every single night, no matter what, I braid this hair, I put it in a braid in the back, sometimes I even make Brandon do it, and I go to sleep, and it protects them so they don't get like pulled and everything. I'm really gentle with them. I try not to use heat on them. Literally, I'm talking like once every like 3 or 4 days I like wash them, and I'll usually let them air dry even. Okay, so we are pulling up to the salon now, and basically they're just gonna take out all of the hair today, and I'm gonna have short hair again, and I'm not looking forward to it. I'm really, really not excited. And then we're gonna schedule an appointment for me to come back and get a new set in, hopefully sooner rather than later. We have an ALPHALETE shoot coming up next month, so I'm definitely not doing that shoot without my hair back. So yeah, we're gonna hop into the salon. I think we're working with a different stylist today than Chloe, who did my hair last time, and I will introduce you guys to her when we get inside, and I will show you how we take out the hair and the whole process. It's actually really special because they donate all of the hair once it's taken out, because this isn't the type that you can reuse. So I'll give you guys all the details when we get inside, but if you want to check out how we get them all out, then just keep watching. I have an appointment at 11:15 to get my extensions out. They're growing out a lot, okay, and they're starting to knot at the top. Okay. So I was like, it's time, and I'll just get a new set hopefully soon. I need to schedule it. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna do it. It might take us a little bit of a while to get them out, obviously, because if it's like knots or whatever. But you seem to have looked after them really well. I tried. Yeah, you have done really well. Okay, so yeah, we'll take them out, and then we'll give you a treatment and a blow dry afterwards. Yeah. Amazing. When you guys take them out, they're donated, right? Yeah, they go to the Princess Trust. Okay, so basically it's a charity that makes wigs for girls or men that have had cancer, and they obviously, well, they would like a wig rather than not having any hair. Right. So yeah, all the hair gets donated to them. Okay. And remade into a wig, which is obviously a very nice thing to do. And I'll leave the link to Princess Trust as well as Great Lengths, and of course Hazel and Hayden and Sean's Instagram here if she wants me to in the description, so you guys can check everything out. So it sounds like we're just gonna take all of the extensions out, do a wash, a dry, and then hopefully she can teach me what to do with my short hair, because I don't know.
So literally it's just a little bit of solution, dissolver solution, and then you pinch the bond to dissolve it and like crush it up a little bit, and then it just slides out.
Okay, so I think we just took out the very last extension. It took us about almost, yeah, like 2.5 hours about to get them all out. And so she takes them out and then just combs the tangles out, because obviously at the end where the growth was, they were tangled. But my hair grew, I mean, like about this much probably, because the bond was like this far from my head, if that makes sense. And it all still feels super healthy. The ends are the same, they're not dead. Like, you can tell my hair grew while they were in, and it feels the same. It feels healthy. It's nice. It's definitely a lot less. Yeah, I think we're just going to wash it, and Sean is going to show me how to style it.
How do you feel?
So short. It's so weird, honestly. but it's still like, it feels so healthy. It's so nice to get extensions out and not feel like they damage your hair.
I love it.
So weird.
So this will actually give you up to 5 times more nourishment in your hair, which obviously will make your hair feel really nice, especially on the ends. It's a pair of stars, it's called a Fusio dose. So you have a concentrate and a booster. It is nice having your hair washed at a salon, isn't it? The dose is the treatment. So you use all the treatment, completely spray it all, and then once you've used it all, kind of massage it into the scalp and massage it into the hair, and then you can just rinse it off straight away.
So soft. It feels like so light, like I don't even have hair. In a good way. Don't worry.
Got a dark scalp, haven't you?
Oh wow, it is longer, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really long. That feels alright. I'm just going to get a proper big mirror.
Yeah, no, that feels great. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so different. I like it a lot now. Okay. Well, this is my short hair. If you remember what it looks like, it looks shorter now, obviously because it's curled, but it definitely is like a good inch and a half longer than it was before. So we love that, and my hair that I had in is gonna get sent off to Princess Trust to be made into wigs, which is lovely. So thank you so much to Hazel and Hayden, to Great Lengths UK, and to Sean, of course, and to Chloe that put the extensions in originally. Everybody's link is gonna be down in the description if you guys wanna check them out. And if you're in the Birmingham area, come in here. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, and all the girls are just the best. And I'm always happy with my hair when I leave here. So I think that's gonna be it. Brandon and I are gonna go eat some Wagamama. Alright, what is up you guys? Totally forgot to vlog at Wagamama, but Brandon and I totally had a feast, drove back home, and then watched this new Netflix series we're watching for like 2.5 hours and napped. It's called Raising Dion, so if you're in the UK and you can get it, you should watch it. But we're at Ironworks now, and I am about to hit a leg workout. I've been doing a lower, upper split for my training, so lower, upper, and then repeat, and I have a rest day somewhere in there whenever I feel it is necessary. So I will talk to you guys a little bit more about that in a bit, but for now I'm going to take you through this workout. So I'm gonna make a pre-workout really quick. Right now I'm just taking a pump product, and that's about it. It's a little too late to be taking pre-workout. It's like 9 p.m. So I'm gonna hit this workout, and I hope you guys enjoy it. What's up, you guys? It is the next day now, and Brandon and I are on our way to the bull ring in Birmingham because he needs to pick up a couple things for his Halloween costume, and I, strangely enough, need to take a photo. This is so ridiculous, but there's not a full-length mirror in Brandon's house.
Don't talk about it.
So while he's shopping, I'm gonna go into a dressing room and take a mirror selfie for something that I need to post on Instagram for a really exciting company that I'm going to be working with. So I'll tell you guys about that in a little bit, but it's pretty hilarious that that's the goal. Like, I literally have a clothing item in my purse to find a cute dressing room to take a selfie in. So there's that, but we're about 5 minutes away from the bull ring now, back in our old hood where we lived earlier this year. And yeah, we're gonna do a little shopping and hopefully eat some food, and I will see you guys when we get there.
So what are we here to get?
Jeans for you.
Jeans and what?
Boots? Boots.
Yeah.
So, world's worst vlogger checking in. Did not vlog my dressing room experience, mostly because I was in underwear. So, if you haven't seen it already, the company that I am working with is this one right here, Lounge Underwear. So, I basically had to go in the dressing room to get a photo in my lounge underwear, and it worked out well because, you know, I was just trying on clothes anyway and had them on underneath what I was wearing. So if you guys want to support me and you want to grab the set that I'm in this photo, it is the pink mesh bra set. I'm wearing a small top and a small bottom, and if you guys want to support me, you know, especially after I just came all the way to a mall to go in a dressing room to take a selfie for you, then you can use code BRIT10 to purchase anything from Lounge. They have like the cutest underwear sets. Brandon actually got me one ages ago that's in like hot pink, and it's really lacy, and I really love it. So I like this one. It's a little bit more practical. It's kind of like a sports bra, and it has like a nice mesh detail right on your boobs, and it's a really comfortable thong. It's cotton, so big fan. I will leave the link down in the description if you guys want to shop Lounge at all. Okay, so we are back in the car now. We just had a little bit more Wagamamas. I know, second day, it's a little aggressive. Really quickly, actually, before we leave, quick fun fact about me. My favorite food in the entire world, also my favorite dessert in the entire world, is the coconut Reiki from Wagamama. It's coconut ice cream. We got it to go. So if you ever go to Wagamama, do not freaking miss it. It's the best. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it. Ended off with a lovely coconut ice cream. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Order Wagamama to your house if you live in the UK and just order the ice cream, and comment below and tell me how incredible and amazing it is. But yeah, that is going to be it for this vlog. So thank you guys for the support as always. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.